Greetings once again, my fellow Star Trek fans. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I'd like to welcome you to another video, and let's see, what will be the subject? Ah yes, Star Trek. I welcome you to another Star Trek related video, my friends, and this one is kind of like an update. What I had done a while ago is, let's see, I'm going to show you, this is the newest release that I have of the Polar Lights, or AMT Klingon battle cruiser from Star Trek the original series. Now, what I had done a while ago is I had shown you the original, the very first one, and that came with lights. Now, I had done a complete unboxing on this, but some of the stuff was missing. The decals were missing, and some of the lights were missing. And I had always said if I was able to get another model kit at a decent price, then I would build it, and I would show you everything that was in it. This kit, that is. This is rarer than this one, because any time you see the planet, it looks like, well, it's not Saturn because it's got 2 rings, or 3 maybe. Yeah, I don't think that's Saturn. But anytime you see the planet with the rings, that's the rare kit. That's the first one. And that one had the lighting. So what I recently was able to get, as you can see up there, you can see I got one that's actually in plastic. Let me go ahead and I'm going to put you on a tripod so it'll be easier to show you guys everything. Okay, so like I was saying, let me put this aside just for a second to show you. So I had done an unboxing on this a while ago, and I had shown you everything that it came with. Again, this was the original. It had a lighting kit. You can see, pretty nice. And where the batteries go, and where the switch is, and all that stuff. The switch is right over there. So I had done this not too long ago, and I had left it off where if I found another kit, because see, it's got this, but there should be 2 of these packets, and there's only 1. So I had told you guys I wanted to do an unboxing with one where we totally knew what was in it and what it came with, where it was totally sealed. You remember the I showed you the old diamond shape, triangle shaped base, and I compared it with the new one, or the newest one that I have. And you can see this one does not have the switch. It has the areas, but it does not have the battery compartment. So let me put it side by side. See in there? And that one doesn't have it. Well, I wanted to do a video and build this just like it looked in the original series, judging off photos from the model. And I guess what I'm trying to tell you guys, excuse my ramblings, but we have this. We got the newer version, and what I was able to do was I was able to get one that was still sealed. Now, they're very, very ridiculously expensive, talking about the ones that are still sealed. But this one was at kind of a discount. It wasn't as expensive because this one looks like it's been subject to some water damage, and it looks like there could be mold inside. So you guys can see what probably happened was it ended up getting wet. Maybe it was in a basement or somewhere cool, and once it had gotten cold, maybe condensation or whatever formed on the inside, and what happened was it got moldy because the shrink wrap doesn't have any holes. You know, maybe a nick here and there, but nothing really to where it could have gotten like really, really wet. But these are hard to find the way they are, let alone sealed. So I got this one, and because this one has got mold in it, it was about $50. That may seem like a lot, but these, like I said, these are really hard to find. So what I was thinking of doing was, because this one has the mold, more than likely it's not going to be as valuable as if I had gotten it where it was completely in the wrapping and was like brand new, pristine. So I'm always on the lookout for that. But this one has got the mold issues. And when we had done this one, like I said, this one has some missing wires and it doesn't have the decals. Now, what I was thinking, what I had told you guys, was that we would use the decals from this one. But again, this is the newest release. Again, the newest release that I have. You can see the back. Let's see, what year was this? So this is from 2011. And you can see a beautiful picture of the model. And I didn't want to use a new one with the original model. So I was very happy to get this. So what I'm thinking of doing is we can open this up and see how badly damaged it is on the inside, and if it would have the if the decals aren't that bad. Because if you really look at it, it's scary to look at the outside of the box. But the rest of the box, all the plastic is intact. And you can tell it's got the as seen on NBC for it's got the lighting kit, that's how you can tell. And the Enterprise one the same way. If you see as seen on NBC on it, it's the more desirable one for the collector. And it's got the lighting kit. So what I think eventually we're going to do is we're going to open this up, we'll do an unboxing, and we'll do a build to make it look just like the studio filming model from the series Star Trek. But I wanted to do a quick video update to show you guys, because I had done a video recently, and when I was panning up behind the Enterprise, I have this kit on the tower, or on the boxes of the others, and it got seen, so I figured I wanted to show you guys what's going on with that. So, my friends, I just wanted to do a quick update and show you that I got the model. So it's another future project, so at some time, I'll open it up, I'll do an unboxing, and I did a search, and there is no unboxing video from one of these that's open. So I would do that, and that would be the first. Again, I'd have to sacrifice it, but it's full of mold, so it's not as collectible as if it would be in pristine condition with the wrapping on it. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Currently, the Star Trek project we're doing the Build the Enterprise from Eaglemoss. I just finished the shipment 12 build video. I'm still working on the USS Enterprise NCC 1701 refit from Star Trek the Motion Picture in 1/350 scale. And painting on the Aztecing and doing that is time consuming and a pain because the masks don't stick. So we got those two projects going on. Oh, and I have the SS United States that I'm working on. I'm doing a tribute video for my friend Alan. He absolutely loves that ship. But I got that going on as well. So I think we're going to hold off on starting another project, at least until maybe the United States is done. Because I know it's going to take a while to finish the Eaglemoss. And the Enterprise 1/350 refit is going to take a long time to finish because of the Aztecing. And we got a lot of it done. Matter of fact, let me show you what I got done so far. All right, so when it comes to the refit, the 1/350, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but this is what I have done so far. The secondary hull is basically finished, and I made a customized wiring harness to go into the base that I made, the custom base. And what I did with this model is I wanted it to look exactly like the one on the screen. Now, you know, there are a lot of kits and a lot of lighting kits that'll give you certain aspects of the lights, but they won't give you others. They'll leave others out. I wanted to get every single thing that was lit on screen. So that's why I'm doing it custom. I'm doing a lighting kit myself, and I'm also doing the Aztecing. See if you guys can see the Aztecing on the saucer section. And on the bottom. And the problem that I'm having is I don't know if it's because I'm using the Rust-Oleum. I love the Rust-Oleum paint. But it gets really hard. It makes a great barrier. But I'm thinking that's why the masks aren't staying on. They're giving me a really hard time. You can see the saucer pylons. I think it came out pretty good. And you can see the painted Aztecing. And eventually I got the Enterprise A, and all the Aztecing is in decal form, so I want to make that model and I want to compare to see if it's actually worth going through all the trouble to paint it, to paint on the Aztecing. So, and you got the inside, I don't know if you guys can be able to see that, of the shuttle bay. But this is what I've been doing, and this is, as far as I'm concerned, the secondary hull is finished. So this part of the model is done, and I'm working on the, let's see, the starboard side nacelle right now, and I'm working on painting the Aztecing on. And then I'd have the ports nacelle and the entire saucer section. But anyway, I'm getting off subject, so I got all these projects going. So when it comes to doing this model, it'll probably be a little while, but I would like to get to it because I think it would be really fun. And we'll do it just like from Star Trek, the original series. So my friends, I just wanted to do a quick little video just to kind of give you an update on this model project. So I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Thanks for watching.